Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is March 6th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Costco. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. I'm excited to discuss Costco's performance in their second quarter of fiscal 2025.
Great. Let's get started with an overview of the report. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Costco reported net sales of $62.53 billion for the second quarter, which is a 9.1% increase compared to last year. John, can you shed some light on this?
Absolutely. The increase in net sales is quite impressive, reflecting strong consumer demand and effective sales strategies. Additionally, the net income for the quarter was $1.788 billion, translating to a diluted EPS of $4.02, which is a solid performance despite the absence of last year's tax benefit.
It's interesting to note the growth in profitability. What factors contributed to this?
Costco's operational efficiencies and robust membership fee growth played a significant role. Their total revenue, including membership fees, reached $63.723 billion, up from $58.442 billion last year.
Comparable sales and e-commerce growth. John, let's talk about comparable sales. How did Costco perform in this area?
Costco's comparable sales growth was strong, with the U.S. seeing an 8.3% increase. E-commerce was a standout performer, growing by 20.9%, which highlights the company's successful digital strategy.
That's impressive. How does this compare to their international markets?
Internationally, Canada and other regions also showed solid growth, with adjusted comparable sales in Canada at 10.5% and other international markets at 10.3%. This indicates a well-rounded performance across geographies.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. Now let's discuss the EPS forecast. Analysts were expecting an EPS of 4 to 9. How did Costco's actual performance compare?
Costco reported an EPS of 4.02 cents, slightly below the forecast of 4.09 from 14 analysts. While it missed expectations, the difference is marginal, and the overall financial health remains strong.
What does this mean for investors?
Investors should consider the broader context of Costco's growth and operational strength. The slight miss on EPS doesn't overshadow their robust sales and profitability improvements.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. John, let's delve into operational efficiencies. How is Costco managing its operations?
Costco's operating income for the quarter was $2.316 billion, up from $2.62 billion last year. This improvement is due to effective cost management and strategic investments in their supply chain and infrastructure.
And what about their cash position?
Costco's cash and cash equivalents stand at $12.356 billion, reflecting strong cash flow management. This positions them well for future growth and potential investments.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from Costco?
Costco's future outlook remains positive, with continued focus on expanding their warehouse footprint and enhancing their e-commerce capabilities. Their strategic initiatives are likely to drive sustained growth.
Key takeaways. In summary, Costco has delivered a strong performance in Q2 2025 with impressive sales growth and operational efficiencies. Despite a slight miss on EPS, the company's overall financial health is robust. John, any final thoughts?
Costco's strategic focus on e-commerce and international expansion is commendable. Investors should remain optimistic about their long-term growth prospects.
Thank you, John, for your insights. And thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Costco's performance in the comments below.